Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan, and welcome to Ventiv Connected Voices. In today's HotSpot 10 episode, we have John Hess, who is Ventiv's newest product manager. John is joining us today to discuss colo mounts. Thanks for joining us today, John.
Thanks, Jonathan. It's great to be back again.
So John, why did Ventiv create the universal collocation mounting kit?
We started to see a need in the market for ways that a customer or customers can mount our enclosures along with external antennas and radios and other stuff like that in one kind of easy to use, easy to install solution.
What are the customer applications that drove Ventiv to this product?
More and more small towns and municipalities were looking for ways to provide community Wi-Fi to their locations. They need simple, cost-effective solutions that are easy to install and are robust, and they stand up to the test of time and to the elements. During COVID, we saw this need kind of extenuated with parents and students and workers all at home and many without any Wi-Fi options. We all saw the pictures of kids sitting outside of coffee shops and fast food restaurants trying to borrow Wi-Fi to do their homework. So this solution will really help communities implement Wi-Fi solutions that can be accessible to everybody.
Absolutely. What advantages does this solution provide over existing products on the market today?
Well, there are really two main advantages here. The first one, this collocation mounting system, it really enables customers to stage the assembly of the components while they're on the ground. They can even do this kind of off location, off site in their own warehouses. Maybe it's raining that day. They can do it, in a building, and then they bring this entire mounting system out to the site, and it's all ready to install. This means they have less time up in the air, less time on the pole, and significantly less installation costs because they're able to really put this up very quickly. And second, we have 3 different mounting styles to fit pretty much any application. We have a pole mount system, we have a wall mount system, and a corner mount system. Each one of them uses the same universal enclosure plate, and it comes with all the hardware that you need to install in the field for your different application.
Where would someone go to find out more information about this universal collocation mount?
Well, I'm glad you asked that. You can download the datasheet and the installation instructions directly from our website at ventevinfra.com/products/mounts and brackets. Or you can find it in our all-encompassing mounts and brackets brochure that's on the website. This brochure is a great place to find all the antenna mounts, pipe kits, and additional mounting systems that you would need for use with the universal collocating kit. And it really will help you make the perfect solution for your project.
Well, thank you again for your time today, John, and we look forward to having you on the next time.